Okay, in this video we're going to introduce how to connect to your machine and use some of the basic app functions. So first thing, when you connect your machine, power it on, do not connect through the Bluetooth menu of your phone. You want to come open the app, press this little hamburger icon, and you'll see connect to Proton. You're going to do that every time. Once you connect to the Proton, you'll see your device, you'll see the RSSI number, which gives you some measure of the signal strength. Anything above minus 90 is fine. Okay, so once you're connected, now you'll see this turns green to let you know that you have a connection. If it drops, it'll turn back to white again. And you can start out with any one of these three quick start options. That will just play a sequence of 12 randomly placed balls at a moderate level. You just hit start when you're ready to go. Other things you could do straight off the bat would be these warm-up programs. So this is just two balls, left and right, forehand, backhand, at the parameters described. There's some more options up here that I'll describe when we get into a little bit more interesting program. Next up, you might go into some of the built-in programs. So in here, you'll find 10 or 12 programs that we've included. They may change from time to time. Starting from something very simple like Groove It, which will just play one shot over and over again, down to things like here's 12 NRS, which, as you might guess, will play 12 shots. And after it's done all 12, it'll come back here and give you a little breather before you get going again. Every shot can have programmed speed, spin, location, and the delay is quite accurate between shots. So you can have shorter delays for for volleys, longer delays for deep ground strokes. Once you've chosen a program, you have a couple more options. You can set how many times you want that program to play. So here I'll do 5 times. There's 4 shots in the program. This would shoot 20 balls and then park itself. You can have the shots in the program played in a random order, and you can have them flip from forehand to backhand. So if you're a lefty and you want everything to look slightly different, just hit the button and you'll see the shots get mirrored. When the program is ready to go, you just simply hit start. The machine will fire up, start shooting balls. Then there are 2 options at the bottom. One is pause. So I'll let it shoot the first shot here. Gives you a little delay. Okay, so if you hit pause, the machine keeps spinning, but the carousel doesn't feed any more balls in. So it's quick to get going again if you just need to tie your shoes. If you hit stop, that will end the program and restart for the next time. So that should be enough to get you up and running. We'll come back with another video on how to do custom programs next.